Today's featured car of the day is a 1969 Chevrolet Yenko Camaro. And this one is the real deal. It's a rare one. I filmed it at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And he had some paper on the windshield there that I'll read off to you. And basically, this one is a Fathom green with black top and black interior. And I guess they all had black interior. But this one's listed in the supercar registry, and it's documented by Copo Connection and by Supercar Workshop, who are Yenko restoration experts. And it's one of 100 Copos ordered by Yenko on 11/11 of 68, and one of 171 four-speeds built in 1969, and has the original survivor interior. The rest of the car looks like it's been restored, or at least it had paint done to it, and it was done under the hood because it's nicer than it should be from back in 1969. And if you're not familiar with the Yenko Camaros, the Yenko Super Camaro, which is what the YSC stands for on the headrests, and those are the original headrests on this one, by the way. Those are original emblems that Yenko put on them. It was a modified Chevrolet Camaro prepared by Yenko Chevrolet under the personal supervision of Don Yenko. The originals were all first-generation Camaros. When the Camaro debuted, a General Motors corporate edict prevented it from carrying an engine larger than 400 cubic inch, or 6.6 liter. This put Camaro at a serious disadvantage to the Ford Mustang, Plymouth Barracuda, and Dodge Dart, since neither Ford nor Plymouth or Dodge had such a limit. Don Yenko, however, knew there was a market for an ultra-powerful Camaro and found ways around the GM limit. For 1969, the dealership worked with Chevrolet to have the L72 engines installed on the factory assembly line using a central office production order, or COPO, C-O-P-O. The orders included power disc brakes, a 410 Posi rear end with heat-treated axle shafts to avoid breakage, a Z28 front anti-sway bar, and a heavy-duty 4-core radiator. Buyers of the car had the option of either the M21 4-speed, which is what this one has, or the turbo-hydromatic 400 automatic transmission. A total of 201 cars were sold in 1969, 171 with 4 speeds, and 30 with automatic transmissions. Yenko rounded out the visual package with front and rear spoilers, a cowl induction hood, special Yenko 427 badges, twin stripes down the flanks and hood. Not all cars, however, and the SYC, Yenko Supercar badge. Again, not all cars had them. According to Camaro Research Group, standard black interior code 711 was the only interior ordered by Yenko. Like I said, I filmed this one at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And it was a little tough to film it because it had a crowd around it most of the time. But I did get a chance to speak to the owner, who was a real nice guy. And I forget exactly, I didn't write down how long he had owned it or how many miles it had on it or any of that particular stuff. It's such a rare car that stuff like that doesn't really matter when it comes down to it. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1969 Chevy Camaro, a Yenko Camaro with the 427 V8 with 450 horsepower, a 4-speed transmission, 410 Posi rear end, and one of 171 4-speeds built in 1969, and one of 201 total built in 1969 by Don Yenko Chevrolet. But if you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.